In this video, we'll walk through how to add and manage team leaders using the Workforce module. Start by going to Workforce, then select Team Leaders and click on Add Team Leader. The Add New Team Leader form will appear, where you can enter the team leader's details. First, enter the team leader name, followed by their phone number and email address. Next, fill in the address of the team leader. You can then enter identification details, such as Aadhaar number, voter ID, and PAN number. After that, you can upload a profile photo of the team leader for easy identification within the system. If needed, you can also upload contract documents using the document upload option provided. Next, enter the bank name, branch name, and the account number for payment or administrative purposes. You can also enter the IFSC code associated with the bank account. Once all the required details are filled in, click Save to add the team leader to the system. If you need to clear the form and start again, click Reset. After adding a team leader, you can view them in the Team Leader directory. The directory displays all team leaders in a card format showing their name, phone number, and email, making it easy to quickly identify them. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific team leader by name. This directory provides a clear and organized overview of all team leaders, helping you manage leadership roles efficiently within your workforce.